This was so interesting.
I know, right?
Favour, you killed the performance.
I gave it to them. Yeah, I'll meet you later. Don't worry.
Okay.
Take care of yourself. I'm home. All right. Hello.
Favour, what's up?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm doing good.
Did you watch the play?
Yeah, sure. From start to finish, it was a great show. Thanks for inviting me.
You're welcome. You know I have a story you
Yeah, so tell me, are you still coming to the place I told you about?
I don't know. I can't promise you.
Please try to come.
I'll try.
So, should I take you to the restaurant?
No, actually. I'm supposed to go and meet Adenike. So I will call you.
No problem.
Take care.
You. You too. Bye.
Mommy.
God bless you, my child, for coming. You just came at the right time.
Don't worry, Mom. You'll be fine. I just finished my exams in school. I already have some projects and things to do. After that, I have enough time to spend with you and boss you back. Come and eat for me.
I can feed myself.
Feed yourself. Take, let me feed you. Oh.
I'm following you already.
Oh, you? Take another one. Do you want another one? Welcome, Daddy.
How are you?
You can't have a
You're rocking. Ọmọ ọlọ́fà mọ́jọ. Ọlá lomi o ma bí ṣojú ọkọ. Ìjàkadì ló rọ ọfà. Ọmọ pinre láàrin. When did you get back from school?
Not long ago, sir.
She olùbọ́lọ̀ ló mú ẹ wá sí. Did your mother tell you she had not been feeling well?
Yes, she did. And that's why I even came to take care of her and bounce her back to her. I can't. Dad, come and join us. Okay, now. Don't worry. I'll take care of you. Anyhow. Sorry, please.
What's up? Are you going to be able to make it today?
Left, okay. I'm not even told them I'm going now.
You'll be able to make it now.
Okay, I'm coming.
Please call me time.
I'm coming, Joe.
I'll be expecting you.
I hear you say I am coming. Where are you going?
I have to go back to school.
But you just came back.
I have to go back to school, Daddy.
Whatever it is, can't it wait till tomorrow? I thought you said you finished your exams.
I cannot wait. I have some things
Are you on your way?
I am coming now.
Did you tell them where you're coming to?
Am I mad? Why will I tell them where I'm going?
Okay, so where exactly are you?
I just left my house though, so I will take bike and go to where I want to go the bus.
Okay, just be coming fast, please.
Then I'll just send me the exact address so that I'll be able to check it out on Google Map.
Oh God, you and this Google Map of a thing. I've told you the place is not far. I don't know how to explain this your Google Map to you know. Just see when you get to Osun, just call me. It's not far.
Okay, I'm coming. Don't worry. I'll call you when I get there.
You are still watching this your program?
It's not as interesting as the one of last.
Has Favour called you yet?
No, not yet. Have you tried a number?
The line keeps ringing, but she's not picking it up. What is wrong with children of these days? Where did she drop her phone again now?
It's to try, you know.
That pepper soup she made, is it still there?
It's raining little. Let me get you some.
Hello, Ma. Good afternoon, Ma. I'm fine, Ma. We just finished the exams. We are doing our project and everything. Yeah, I'm in school now. Yes, Ma. No, Ma. I've not seen Favour anywhere. I've been waiting for her to come back since Sunday. Is she not with you, Ma? Okay, Ma. Bye-bye, Ma.
Good morning. Please, where's the DPO?
You can go to the service.
Calm down.
Good morning, sir. Welcome, sir. What can I do for you, sir?
On the 16th of December, 1 week after Favour disappeared from her residence, and after carrying out several search operations without any success, her parents lodged a formal report at the police station.
What's her name, sir?
Favour Oladele.
She resides with you.
Yes.
Your address, sir?
Please, just a minute.
Madam, take it easy. Everything will be done.
We live at Ogun Road.
Mowe, yes, sir.
Yes.
What did she tell you?
2 weeks ago, she came back from school and we expected her to stay with us. She's attending LASU. She came back and immediately she said she was going back to see the project person, supervisor, this and that. She left. And up to now, we have not heard of her. We have not seen her. So we just thought we should come and let you people.
Okay. Please, let's say the DPO, because in a case like this, he has to be in the know. So let's say for further directives, sir.
The DPO?
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir. I will lead you, sir. Morning, sir.
Hello, how are you?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
We have a complaint at the charge room, sir.
What complaint is that?
Mr. and Mrs. Oladele.
Madam, why are you crying?
They came to report about their missing daughter, sir.
A missing daughter?
Yes, sir.
Please, you can sit down. You can have your seat, please.
SP Mavis Iyayola was a DPO of police headquarters where Mr. Oladele had gone to make a complaint.
Sorry, sir.
Thanks.
Sorry for the unfortunate incident, sir. So what's your name, sir?
Daley Oladele.
For how long is this girl missing?
Over a week now.
Over a week?
Honey.
Madam, just calm down.
Calm down, please.
How old is she?
22.
22?
Yes, sir.
Wow. What does she do for a living?
She's a student.
A student? Which school is that?
LASU.
LASU. For over a week, you have been looking for her now?
Yes.
Have you tried to reach her on phone?
We have called and called and called.
It's not going.
The phone is ringing. She's not picking it.
And they're not picking the phone?
Sorry, my dear.
What could be wrong? Don't you think she has gone out with some friends?
1 week.
At that age of 22, definitely we should expect her to have friends, right?
1 week?
Of course.
My daughter is not like that. Anything that happens to her, she will tell me.
You mean you can vouch for your daughter?
She will inform us. She to be away for 1 week is not like Favour at all. I cannot understand what
Okay, it's okay. So, don't you think we should give her some couple of days to see if she will come?
1 week, Oga. She has been away for 1 week. How many more years will I give her to see? I want to see my daughter.
Okay. Ciaro,
sir.
Quickly get me the crime officer.
Yes, sir.
Segun Suba.
Yes, sir.
Tell him to come immediately.
Yes, sir.
Madam, just calm down. It's okay, just take it easy. Don't worry, by God's grace.
It would be grateful if you will help us.
By God's grace, everything will be done. So you mean she has been away for the past a week?
1 week, Oga. 1 week today.
Sir, Segun,
sir.
How are you?
Sir.
It's a serious case here. It's a case of a missing girl. It's the daughter of the man seated before me, Mr. Oladele Oladele. And from what I've just gathered, that she left home for the past 1 week, a girl of 22 and a student of LASU. And incidentally, the phone is ringing, but she's not picking. So definitely something is wrong somewhere. So you quickly take them back to your office, obtain their statement, and let's see what to do about it.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you very much. It's all right.
Thanks.
It's all right. Madam, take it easy. Just don't worry, we'll attend to you. Or we'll get to the root of this matter. Please just take it easy, okay?
Come in.
Good morning.
Sit down. You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Just come.
Police Detective Subaru proceeded to meet with Favour's parents.
Don't worry. We are going to use every strategy we know that will discover crime. We are going to apply it here. So just calm yourself down. You don't need to cry, yeah? Daddy Favour, what happened? Just give me a brief story about what happened.
About a week ago, she came home. And you know, we have been expecting to see her for a long time. She had been away for months. She came home, we were expecting to enjoy the house together. All of a sudden, she now picked the call and said she was going back to school. You are going back to school? You just came back, said she had to go. Well, the long and short is that from that time up to now, we have not seen her. We have not heard anything from her. We have met the other students. Everybody is trying, but we have not seen her. That's the simple truth.
Okay. But do you have her phone number? The phone, is her phone going in?
We were calling, she's not picking. She's not picking.
Madam, sorry, eh? So what we are going to do now is, they will take your statement now. First things we are going to do here, since we said the phone is going, but she's not picking it, we are going to, first of all, get the pack of the phone.
Yes, okay.
There is a forensic investigation we are going to make towards that phone.
There is?
There's forensic investigation.
Okay, forensic investigation.
Yes, we are going to do.
Okay, sir.
So I will not tell you what it is because we have been cautious of telling you the simple language you know.
Okay.
So you will only just get me the pack.
The phone pack?
The phone pack.
Okay, sir.
So when you get me the phone pack, I know what to do. So when we just come in, God is going to take control. We are going to save people.
Amen.
So that's why we are police. We are going to get her.
Thank you, sir.
Anywhere she is, eh? So when you get them, console Mama. Tayo! Sir! Hafiz!
Yes, sir. Try to be calming down.
And my statement once in.
Yes, sir.
Concerning the case of missing person. Before the statement ends, call me.
Yes, sir.
Thank you for that. Thank you. No, you on this one.
Sorry about that. Fine. You said you have the pack.
The phone pack. Yes, sir.
Just get me the phone pack. So when you are coming, you don't need to come with madam. Because you know she cannot get herself now. And as far as this case is concerned, it's a case that we need to take a lot of actions that she doesn't need to be there. Yes.
Thank you.
Just console her at home. She doesn't need to be here again. And make sure you keep somebody with her so that I will be monitoring her.
The siblings are there.
So fine. So just go and get me the pack. So that for us to do things better.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
You're welcome. Mommy, sorry, eh? You're welcome. Sorry.
Fine, sir.
Where is Segun?
He's inside, sir.
Inside the office?
Yes, sir.
All right.
Yes.
Hi, thank you. How are you?
Yes, sir.
Still on the case of missing girl.
Yes, sir.
What stage are we now? What have you done? What have you done? Where stage are we?
Yeah, the father has brought the pack of the phone.
Okay.
And then we have sent it for forensic
Is the result out? Is the result
yes,
out?
the result is out.
And what location?
The location is Ikire, that is in Osun State.
Ah,
This is the
Far
result.
Osun State Command.
Yes, this is the result.
Let me see. Let me see.
This is the result.
Oh, okay. That is good. That's good. That's good.
So this is the target, and this is the sub-target.
Okay. So where's the target? Let me see.
This is the target, Ikoyile.
Which town is that?
Ikoyile. This is
Osun State.
Osun State.
Okay, that is great.
Yeah.
So
And this is the phone number of the.
There's a SIM in the phone.
Yeah, he has removed the SIM of Favour.
Okay.
So he has now put his own. So this is the.
That's incredible.
Yes, sir.
All right. All the same. So at this point, you will now quickly meet me in the office. Let's make arrangement so that you can go to the headquarters, the state CID, and prepare letter of investigation to Osun State Command.
Okay, sir.
You understand? So
Yes,
quickly meet me in the office because the CP is concerned about this case.
Okay, sir.
And he wants me to come and give me a brief. So quickly meet me in the office.
I'll do that.
All right. Richard! Thank you. Thank you.